Have you ever dreamed of waking up to the peaceful sounds of nature? Stepping outside to an open field, yet living in a home that's modern, stylish, and built to last? Well, let me introduce you to the Barndominium, the ultimate blend of rustic charm and contemporary living. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it's a simple way to show your love for these incredible designs. This is not just another farmhouse. It's not just a barn, it's a revolution in rural living. A home that combines the strength of a metal barn with the comfort and elegance of a custom-built house. And the best part is that it's often more affordable and energy efficient than traditional homes. A barndominium, or barndo for short, is exactly what it sounds like. It's a hybrid between a barn and a condominium-style home. But don't let the name fool you. These homes are anything but basic. Originally, the idea started with people converting old barns into homes. But today, builders are creating brand new structures from the ground up, designed specifically for comfortable living. The frame is often made of steel, which means these homes are incredibly durable, resistant to extreme weather, and can be built faster than a traditional house. And because they don't rely on traditional wood framing, they're also less prone to issues like termites or rot. If you love this type of look, hit that subscribe button to help us create more videos, and let us know in the comments what you'd love to see in future videos. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest perks, cost efficiency. Depending on size, location, and materials, a barndominium can be 30 to 50% cheaper to build than a conventional home. That's because the metal shell is more affordable, and you don't need as many support beams inside, giving you a wide, open floor plan. Less material, less labor, and more flexibility in design sounds like a win, right? Another reason people love barndominiums is their versatility. Some homeowners use them purely as residences, while others integrate workshops, garages, or even horse stalls into their designs. Whether you want a cozy retreat, a full-blown family home, or a live workspace, a barndo can be customized to fit your vision. And let's not forget maintenance. Unlike wood homes that need repainting and repairs over the years, a metal barndominium requires very little upkeep. That means more time enjoying your home and less time worrying about repairs. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means to me, and it helps keep the design ideas coming your way. So now that you know what a barndominium is, let's talk about the features that make them absolutely stunning. A modern barndominium is all about blending rustic beauty with sleek and contemporary design. It's not just a big metal building, it's a home designed for comfort, efficiency, and breathtaking aesthetics. So, what makes a modern barndo stand out? First up is open floor plans. This is one of the biggest appeals of barndominiums. Without load-bearing walls, you can create massive and flowing spaces that feel open, airy, and good for entertaining. Imagine walking into your living room with a 20-foot ceiling, huge windows letting in natural light, and no walls cutting off your space. That's the beauty of a barndo. Speaking of ceilings, high ceilings and exposed beams are a signature feature. Not only do they give your home that big and luxurious feel, but they also enhance airflow and make the space feel even bigger. If you want that good mix of industrial and rustic, leaving the beams exposed adds an instant wow factor. Now, let's talk about windows. Big and oversized windows are a must-have in modern barndominiums. Since these homes are often built on large rural properties, why not take full advantage of the view? Floor-to-ceiling windows, sliding glass doors, and even wraparound porches help merge the indoors with the outdoors, making your home feel even more connected to nature. The exterior is another area where barndominiums shine. While classic barndos feature all-metal siding, many homeowners mix materials for a modern touch. Think metal with wood accents, stone details, or even board and batten siding. This mix of materials adds warmth and character while keeping the structure durable and low maintenance. And then there's the kitchen, the heart of any home. Modern barndominiums often feature chef's kitchens with massive islands, custom cabinetry, and high-end finishes. Whether you love farmhouse sinks, quartz countertops, or industrial-style lighting, your barndo kitchen can be as sleek or as cozy as you want. Finally, let's talk about outdoor living spaces. When you live in the countryside, having a connection to the outdoors is key. That's why so many barndominiums include covered porches, patios, or even outdoor kitchens. Imagine sipping your morning coffee on a wraparound porch while watching the sunrise. That's the kind of peaceful living a barndominium offers. All these features come together to create a home that's not only beautiful, but also incredibly functional. Whether you want a minimalist retreat or a luxury countryside estate, a barndominium can be designed to fit your lifestyle perfectly. If you're all about luxury, don't think barndominiums are just basic barns. High-end finishes, custom cabinetry, huge stone fireplaces, and beautiful bathrooms, you can go as fancy as you want. Some people even build barndos with indoor pools. Why not, right? Finally, let's talk sustainability. With energy costs rising, more people are designing eco-friendly barndominiums. Solar panels, rainwater collection systems, and high-efficiency insulation make these homes both beautiful and cost-effective in the long run. No matter your style, one thing's for sure, barndominiums are not a trend that's going away. They're a movement. And if you're thinking of building one, let's talk numbers. How much does it actually cost? Let's break it down. All right, let's talk money. Because while barndominiums can be more affordable than traditional homes, the cost still depends on how you build it. On average, a barndominium costs $70 to $150 per square foot. That means if you're building a 2,000 square foot home, you're looking at $140,000 to $300,000 depending on materials, finishes, and labor. Compare that to a traditional house, which can cost $200 to $300 per square foot, and you're saving big time. So, how do you keep costs low? Tip number 1, keep your floor plan simple. The more complicated the design, the more expensive it gets. Tip number 2, choose a steel frame over wood. It's stronger, lasts longer, and often cheaper in the long run. Tip number 3, go with a metal exterior. It's low maintenance and cuts down on future repair costs. Now, DIY or hiring a builder. If you're handy and can do some of the work yourself, you can save thousands. But be realistic. Electrical, plumbing, and foundation work should be done by pros. A good contractor can prevent costly mistakes. And don't forget permits and zoning laws. Before you buy land, check your local building codes. Some areas have restrictions on metal homes, while others require specific insulation for energy efficiency. Barndominiums are cost-effective if you plan wisely. So do your research, work with a solid team, and set a budget that includes unexpected expenses. All right, we've covered a lot, from barndominium basics to design trends and costs. But before we wrap this up, let me leave you with some final golden tips to make sure your barndominium journey is a smooth ride. Tip number 1, plan your layout wisely. One of the biggest mistakes people make is underestimating their space needs. Since barndominiums are known for their open layouts, it's easy to go too big or too small. Think about how you actually live. Do you entertain guests often? Do you need a home office? Will you need extra storage for equipment or hobbies? The right layout makes all the difference. Tip number 2, don't skimp on insulation. Metal buildings heat up in the summer and get chilly in the winter if they're not properly insulated. Invest in spray foam insulation. It might cost a little more up front, but it'll save you thousands in energy bills over the years. Tip number 3, choose the right builder. Not every contractor knows how to build a barndominium properly. Do your research, ask for referrals, and check their previous work. A good builder can mean the difference between a dream home and a construction nightmare. Tip number 4, think long-term. Barndominiums are built to last, but future-proofing is key. Even if you're building small now, plan your plumbing and electrical layouts in a way that allows easy expansion later. Life changes, your home should be able to adapt with you. Tip number 5, make it yours. At the end of the day, a barndominium is a reflection of you. Don't just follow trends. Create a home that feels right for you and your family. So, is a barndominium the right choice for you? If you're looking for a durable, customizable, and cost-effective home that blends rustic charm with modern living, then the answer is a big yes. The beauty of a barndo is that it can be whatever you want it to be. A cozy weekend retreat, a full-time family home, or even a multi-use space with a workshop or business. If this video got you inspired, let me know in the comments. What's your favorite barndominium feature? Would you ever build one? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.